My brothers and my sisters, I want to do this now on a beautiful sister, Lamina to Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Lamina to Nakabon copy, you, my brother, they look me, you, my sister, they look me when I feel free to share this video. My sisters, when I don't know say this na pandemic time, coronavirus, when I don't know say this time, everything for the on lockdown. Yes. Small touch with them boy had the touch una don't get belly. Some of una they don't need for touch una safe. As they look una so, belly don't come out. Una not they feel sorry for them boy there. You miss so they look me like you had the talk. You know they sorry for this boy. Where it be say small touch where that boy they touch you no more. Belly don't come out inside it. Small touch where they touch you. Belly don't come out inside it. Una no say this na lockdown time. Everything for the on lockdown. Everything for the on lockdown. This is no joke. This na serious matter. And my brothers them again una safe no other one. When you talk about the dog, you talk about the bone. Una no say everything for the on lockdown. Una no go left the lady then ya. Because me, I don't sabi past 10 people there. We don't get belly inside this pandemic time. Yes. Una no say everything for the on lockdown. And one thing I want una know me brothers. Some of them ladies then yeah so una no need for touch them. So when I look them una dey look them. As when I look them belly don't come. Una no go learn. This na pandemic time. Coronavirus. Everything for the on lockdown. Till further notice. Everything for the on lockdown. What's in this? What's kind in this? My sisters them. You where they look me now, you are the talk to. Una not the sorry for them guy there. Una not the sorry for them. We be say as they touch una small. As they touch una small. Una don't get belly. Some of una they don't touch una self. Now look no more than they look una. Una don't get belly. Una no say everything for the on lockdown. This is na pandemic time, coronavirus. Picking up for commot na they are so picking up for commot. Belle no for commot. If you go you born picking there so I will name that picking day. Now na coronavirus time. If you born picking there you get belle inside this time. Then you born that picking day. I will name that picking day. Some of una my brothers they no need for touch una safe. Now look no more than the look una. Belly don't come out. Now look no more than the look una. Belly don't come out. But my brothers them again. When you talk pan the dog, you talk pan the bone. Una no go sorry for them girl there, yeah. Lo una no say everything for them on lockdown. This na pandemic time. Everything for lockdown till further notice. Everything for they on lockdown. Some of them girl they are so una no need for touch them. Now look no more na the look there. Belly don't come out. Bolo don't come out. Now look no more na the look there. Belly don't come out. Una no say this na pandemic time. Yes. My brothers. Una no go they touch them girl then yeah. Everything for you on lockdown. You had to look me now. You had to talk to. You had to look me now. You had to talk to. Pandemic kind crisis then yeah. Una still they touch them girl then yeah. And then girl then yeah. As you touch them small, belly don't come out today. So then you don't need for touch them safe. Belly don't come out today. This na pandemic time. Everything for the on lockdown. This na emergency business. Everything for the on lockdown. Everything for the on lockdown. My brothers and my sisters them are the big una. Do ya? Una no dey slow una think. Say this na pandemic time. This na serious matter. For say everything for the on lockdown. Any belle will come up during the time there. Me number you not call me for baby shower. Opunado. Cause I no go goody. I no go goody. It means we not they abide to the rules and regulations of a lockdown. When they say lockdown, everything for they on lockdown. But una not agree. Una they disobey the law and order. Una no one follow law and order. Una no one take instructions. Me brothers. If then girl say yeah, they want for mondo you. Say no, I no want. And una left for the look there because some day una no need for touch them say let they come. So then I look no more una the look there. Bele don't come. Una for no say this is state of emergency. Una get for respect the lockdown. When they say lockdown, everything for they on lockdown. Yes. I dey peguna. Any turn I don't see past over 10 people they want sabi. Then get belly. You where they look me now, you are the talk. Over 10 people there. Then get belly. It means they know they obey rules and regulations. When the government say lockdown, everything for they on lockdown. But when they pass the girl them, when they get belly. When they get belly, it means when they respect law and order. And that is very bad, it's very disrespectful. We get for begin to look into it. Police then get for begin to arrest people where they get belly inside this pandemic time. It means that then they break the law. Because when the government don't say lockdown, you get for respect law and order. Who say belly they go come out and una me brothers them again. Una get for left for the touch them girl there or even look them. Because some then you don't need for touch yourself. Now look no more you look and belly don't come. Police then get for begin the arrest you now. Then get for begin the arrest one who they get belly during this time. Because it means they know they respect law and order. Then they violate the rules and regulations. Then they go against them. And that is bad. If the government don't put say lockdown, everything for they on lockdown. Everything. Who's kind of thing this bar? You be brother they look me now, you are the talk to. You know go left the girl? You be sister, you safe. Some of una the boy they know they touch una say na look no more than they look una. Belle don't come. Police they begin arrest una. Yes, for disobeying law and order. Una they go against the rules and regulations. When they say lockdown, everything for they on lockdown. Una no one take control. What's kind of thing this? Una no say everything for they on lockdown. It's not pandemic time. When they say lockdown, everything for they on lockdown. Yes. As I pass 10 people the way get belly. That is so disobeying. That is so disrespectful. During this pandemic time, it means when they respect the law and order. What's in the government don't talk when they go against the government in what is the way it puts in law. And that is bad. That is bad. Everything supposed to be on lockdown. Now feel free to share this video. I love you guys. Mwah.